नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों पर मुश्तमिल ये गुलदस्ता गिलगित बल्तिस्तान के इंतहाई दूर उफ्तादा इलाका ज़िला गांछे के सब डिवीज़न मशबरूम में वादी हुशे के गाँव बलेगुन के स्कूल के बच्चे हैं। इस स्कूल को एक बरतानवी गैर सरकारी तंजीम वाइल्ड फ्रंटियर की मुआवनत हासिल है। मज़कूरा इदारे की टीम ने गिलगित बल्तिस्तान में दौरे के दौरान बलेगुन स्कूल में नातिया और तकरीरी मुकाबले और दीगर सरगर्मियों को देखने के लिए इस स्कूल का भी दौरा किया, जिसे देखने के बाद ली पार्कर ने तकरीब से मुख्तसर खिताब में खुशी का इजहार किया।
This has been a very special day for us. It has been wonderful to meet you and to see Balagon School. We have so much enjoyed seeing your dancing, listening to your singing and hearing your wonderful speeches. What a terrific day it has been. So on behalf of Wild Frontiers, I would like to say thank you to everyone who helped to organize this wonderful day. Thank you to the principal, to the teachers, to the girls and boys, to the parents who helped to organize, the technical people, and everybody who came to make this a wonderful celebration. This has been so special for us. Thank you so much.
इस गैर सरकारी तंजीम और स्कूल के दरमियान रवाबित फिलिक्स फाउंडेशन के तवसुत से कायम है। ली पार्कर के खिताब से पहले फिलिक्स फाउंडेशन के CEO शमशेर अली ने इस स्कूल की मुआवनत करने वाली तंजीम वाइल्ड फ्रंटियर और स्कूल का दौरा करने वाले तमाम मेहमानों का शुक्रिया अदा किया।
We are trying our best to help our community with the help of different donors, because the Felix Foundation is working with different donors. One is Wild Frontier and Iqra Fund Felix Foundation, who were supporting us from Spain. So in the past, we were working in education in 10 schools in the Hushe Valley, and for the women empowerment, for female education and women health. So this kind of work we were doing with the help of you people. So now 29 due to the COVID, our main donor was finished their help. But the Balagon community was very lucky, because the Balagon community get the help from Wild Frontier. So we are very thankful to the Wild Frontier Foundation that's giving us one opportunity to give the quality education for the female and male from Balagon school. The Balagon community is most uneducated and unaware people. That's why last year we request our donors that we want to organize one event here. With this event, we want to try to aware the community, aware the children, and bring one competition in their mentality between the school, among the school. So in future, they will prepare more and more. Then the community also, the women participation is now increasing. Male participation now less than women. So we are requesting them, we are awareing them to bring them to the school, because as you know that 2-3 years before, I think I never see any people like this to come to participate such kind of events, but now they are participating. So we hope with your support we will be able to give good quality education, and also we hope that many students from Balagon, many female students from Balagon, they will get good education and they will help to the community. Would like to thanks and welcome you.
तकरीब में आने वाले मेहमानों का बच्चों की तरफ से निहायत मुनफरिद अंदाज में इस्तकबाल किया गया। एंड्रू कर्ल ने वॉइस ऑफ कराकरम से गुफ्तगू में तकरीब को सराहते हुए आइंदा दोबारा आने की ख्वाहिश का इजहार किया।
It has been a real privilege for the 6 of us, plus Waj, plus Max, to come here and share your valley, your homes and your school with you. We've had a wonderful, wonderful morning, much, much better than we ever expected, and we look forward to hearing from you again sometime, hopefully in the future, when we come back to the valley, and perhaps even one day get up as far as K2, where my friend over there has been up to the top of, but we just want to go to the bottom of it. I was amazed by the greenery of the valley. I didn't expect to have so much flowers and trees and water. It is just absolutely beautiful. Must be a lovely, lovely place to live. The memories I want to take back are the people. It has to be the people here. The friendliest, most supportive, kind people I think I've ever been with. So, the valley is beautiful, but it's the people. The people here are lovely.
तकरीरी मुकाबले के साथ साथ हमद, नात और टेबलू पेश किया गया। इस टेबलू में मुकामी सकाफत को उजागर करने के साथ मुआशरे के सनफी गैर मुतवाज़िन पहलुओं को भी उजागर करने की कोशिश की गई। आखिर में मुकाबले में नुमायां पोजीशन लेने वाले और मुकाबले में हिस्सा लेने वालों में इनामात तकसीम किए गए। फिदा हुसैन, वॉइस ऑफ कराकरम, ज़िला गांछे, गिलगित बल्तिस्तान।